How to get font names on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type font text generator. Now open up any of the websites. Now type your text. Now select the font you want to add. Now keep holding the text to copy it. Now go back to your home screen and open up TikTok. Now at the bottom right corner, click on Profile, tap on Edit Profile and click on Name. Now paste the text and click on Save. Tap on Confirm and that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.